Dear students, welcome you all for 10th standard physics class on the chapter electricity. So it is the revision on the chapter electricity. Please take your notebook and pen, write down the important definitions and the points which we are giving it, and write down in your notes. Try to by heart these definitions and answer the questions which we are giving at the end. What is electric current? Electric current is defined as the rate of flow of charges. SI unit of current is ampere, represented by capital letter A.
The next important term in the chapter electricity is electric potential difference. The amount of work done in moving a unit positive charge from one point to another in an electric field. The SI unit of potential difference is volt, which is represented by capital letter V. Next, we have the very important Ohm's law. Ohm's law is defined as the potential difference between 2 points is directly proportional to electric current. It's a very important law. You have to by heart this law. Ohm's law formula is given as V is equal to I into R. V stands for potential difference, I represents current, R stands for electrical resistance.
What is electric circuit? A continuous and closed path of an electric current is called an electric circuit. An electric circuit consists of electric devices, sources of electricity, and wires that are connected with the help of a switch. Have a look of the electric circuit given here. A bulb, a meter, switch, and a battery. All these are connected by an electric wire.
Moving on with the important definitions, we have electrical resistance. The property of a conductor to oppose to the flow of charges through it is called electrical resistance. The SI unit of electrical resistance is ohm. It is named after George Simon Ohm. The factors on which electrical resistance depends are length of the wire, area of cross section of the wire, nature of the material or the conductor, and temperature of the conductor. These are the factors on which electrical resistance depends. Moving on, we have electrical resistors in series. You can see in this picture here, 3 resistors R1, R2 and R3 are connected end to end. That is resistors in series. These 3 resistors are connected in parallel with voltmeter, and they are in series with ammeter, battery and the key. This diagram is important. You have to practice it. We have the formula for calculating resistors in series. It is given as Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Rs stands for resistors in series. Next, we have the resistors in parallel. This is called branched connection of resistors. R1, R2 and R3 are branched and they are connected. The formula to calculate the resistors in parallel is 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. These 2 formulas of resistors in series and parallel will be important for you in solving the numericals based on these formulas.
Next important definitions which we are going to discuss is heating effect of electric current, that is Joule's law of heating effect. It's given as heat produced in a resistor is directly proportional to the square of the current for a given resistance. Directly proportional to the resistance for a given current and directly proportional to the time for which the current flows through the resistor. And it is formula H equals I square RT, where I stands for current, R stands for resistance, T stands for time for which the current flows through the resistor. That is H equals I square RT.
Today's homework is you have to write all the important definition that we have revised along with the diagram 2 times and submit that to the in charge teachers. Thank you.